Hi everyone, welcome to Techfy Finance. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and verify a Payoneer account. I know some of you might be asking the question, what is Payoneer? So Payoneer is an online payment company based in the USA which allows its users to make and receive payments from all over the world. Apart from using Payoneer to send and receive money, Payoneer is also really a great choice to be paid online. That's if you are working as a freelancer on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and so on and so forth. Payoneer is also really a great choice to be paid if you are selling something on Amazon, or if you have got your own online store, you can use Payoneer to receive the payments. Not only that, Payoneer also provides you a free MasterCard which you can use to make payments all over the world, and you can also use this card to withdraw money at any ATM in the world. Now that you know why Payoneer is great, let me show you how to create a Payoneer account. So to get started, all what you need to do is to come to payoneer.com. If you use the link in the description below, you are going to be receiving a $25 welcome bonus for new members. So when you come here, you just need to come and press on register. Then here you need to choose how you identify yourself. Are you a freelancer? Do you have got an online shop? You need to choose one of these, but it really doesn't matter. It will not affect your account in any way. So I'll go ahead and choose freelancing. Then here you need to choose your monthly budget, your monthly volume, how much money you'll be transacting with this account. So I'll just go with this one, less than 5,000. Then here you just need to press register. So here you need to complete this form by entering your personal details, but if you are registering as a company, you can go ahead and tick the second option. So I'll go ahead and fill the form. First name, surname, email address, you repeat it twice, then you need to enter the date of birth. After that, you press next. Then here we need to enter the contact details, so you just need to enter your country where you are, street number. You need to enter the zip code of your city. Then phone number. Then you press here where it says send code. After filling all your contact details and filling the confirmation code of your phone number, you just need to press again on next. So here you need to enter your security details by creating your password. You repeat the password again. Just make sure that the password is strong enough. Then here you need to enter a security question. Just choose something that you'll be able to remember later. Then you need to enter your identification details. So you make sure that you choose your country, the country where your ID was issued. Then here you can choose which type of document you are using. So I'm using a passport, I'll put passport. Then you enter the passport number or the ID number. You need to enter the date when it was issued. Then you also enter the date when it's going to expire. After that, you just need to enter this code down here. You type it here. Then press next. Now you need to provide your bank account details. since you are mainly going to be using this account to receive payments, so you need to provide your account details where you will be withdrawing your funds to. So I will go ahead and fill the account details. So you choose the country where the account is registered, then you can choose the currency of the account, the bank account. Then you just need to come here and choose the name of the bank. So for me it is Equity Bank. I'll just go with Equity Bank. Then after there, here you need to choose the name of the branch of the bank. So I'll just go with the head office. Then I need to type in the account number. Just make sure that the account number you are entering in is correct, because this is the account which you are going to be using later to withdraw money to. After that, you just need to tick these two. Then you press submit. Then you also need to enter the SWIFT code of your bank. So you can just come to Google and search for the code of your bank. So I'll go Equity Bank SWIFT code. It will pop up. You just need to copy this code and enter it here. After that, you press done. So immediately after pressing done, you are going to be brought to this page saying congratulations, your account application is complete. Now what we need to do is to come to our email address and confirm and see if our account has been created. You can see here that I've received two emails, one saying that your application is under review and another one asking us to verify our email address. So I will go ahead and verify the email address. You just need to press verify. So you can see over here that our email address has been verified. Now what we are going to do is to log in into our account so that I can show you how to submit your documents for verification. Then they are going to ask you to turn on the two-factor authentication. So you can just go ahead and turn on, but for now, I'll say not now, I'll turn it on later. You should turn it on for your own security. That way, whenever you want to withdraw money, they will be sending you an authentication code. That way no one can steal money from your account. So after logging in for the first time, you are going to be brought to this page where they are just welcoming you and asking you to update your security information. So you just need to come and press on where it says update now. Then here they'll just ask you to pick and choose some security questions and provide answers to those questions, so that maybe in the future, if you lost access to your account, they can use these questions to help you recover your account. So I'll just go ahead and choose the questions and provide answers to those questions. So after answering the security questions, you just need to come and press on where it says change. Then we need to enter the confirmation code. Since we are changing sensitive information, they have sent us a code to confirm. After entering the confirmation code, just press submit. So if you have reached this stage, just know that your account has been created successfully. Now what you need to do is to submit your documents for verification. So you are going to come over here settings and press verification center. Then you need to come under account verification. Then you just need to scroll down and come here. Make sure that your country there is correct. Then if you are uploading an ID, you pick the second one. If it's passport, you go with the first one, passport. Then you just need to press browse and choose your document from your computer or phone and upload it. After that, just press submit. You can see over here it says success. So all what we need to do now is to provide a document proving our address. That can be a water bill or an electric bill, even a bank statement. You can also use a bank statement to prove as proof of address. So I'll just come ahead and press submit. First of all, I need to enter my address information. So I will go ahead and enter the address information. Then you press submit. So you can see that we have also submitted our address information successfully. Now you just need to come and press here where it says view addition required actions. So you can see over here that there are no additional requirements. I've not been asked to submit a document proving my address. Now this might not be the same case for you depending on the country where you are registering your account from. So this is how you submit your documents for verification. Now we are done with the verification application process. All what we are going to do now is to wait for Payoneer to get back to us. Now that you are done creating your Payoneer account and you have submitted your documents for verification, let me now show you some of the things you can do with your Payoneer account. So you need to come under settings and press on bank accounts. Here you can see that there are two options. So if you want to add a bank account where you will be withdrawing your money to, then you need to just press this one, bank accounts for withdraw. Whereas if you want to add a bank account which is not in your name for someone else whom you want to pay or whom you want to send money to, then you can add those bank account under recipient. Then I just want you to come under home. I want to show you one more thing. On your home page, you can see that there are three different balances. That is the USD, Euro, and the British Pound. So you can even request for other balances if you want. These are simple accounts. Let me show you. If you press on here and then you press receiving accounts. So after pressing receiving accounts, you'll be directed to this page. You can see that you can even add another receiving account for Singapore. But I just want you to come here. I want to show you something. When you press on details, you can see that a bank account has been created in your name. You will see that a bank account has been created in your name. So like this is just like a bank account created in your name in the United States of America. If you were to pick for the one for Euro, then you are going to find that your bank account also has been created in your name in Euro in Europe. The same with the British Pound, you are going to find that a bank account has been created in your name in UK. So you can now use this bank account details. You can see that there's a bank account number there, the routing number. Like this is your bank account. You can be able to use these details to receive payments in those countries. So let's say that you have got some business going on in USA. You can provide this bank account number to your client, then they can be able to send money to this bank account. So this is what I wanted to show you. This is how you can use these receiving accounts. This is simply how you create and verify a Payoneer account. If this video has been helpful to you, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this one in the future. Go and watch this video on the screen right now if you want to learn how to withdraw money from your Payoneer account. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. See you in the next video.